What's up, guys? Nick from the Average Biker Garage back here with another episode for you. And today we get to talk about the new project. This is a 2000 Harley-Davidson Sportster. I am building this for the Wyld Stallions motorcycle build competition that takes place in Owasso, Michigan in August. It piggybacks off the Vintage Motorcycle Days show. I have a video of last year's, and the Honda Shadow blue bobber that I built was for this competition last year. And this year I am doing a sporty build. I have wanted to build a Sportster for a while, and I've been looking for one for about 6 months now. I finally was able to sell the V-Star and then in turn use that money to just buy this. So I am super stoked about a Sportster build. Plans for this include a hardtail. I think I'm going with TC Brothers hardtail. I just like the looks of that one better. And different tank, get rid of the front fender. That windshield's the first thing to go. And all of this J&P Cycles mid-90s customizing cringe live to ride, ride to live shit is gonna be for sale if anyone wants it. Yeah, so I am super excited about this build and super excited to be doing this competition again. We have 9 guys in it, I believe, so far. One guy's coming all the way from fucking Missouri, so he's gonna be building something cool if he's coming all that way. If you guys aren't following that page yet, head on over to Facebook. The link will be below, and give it a follow. Or Instagram, they have an Instagram page too. And follow along there. Or if you are in Michigan, look for Thunder Roads Magazine of Michigan. They will be updating the following along with the builds and doing progress reports every month. So it's a neat little competition, and I enjoy doing it. I really enjoyed doing it last year, so excited to be back in it again this year, and excited to be building a fucking Sportster. So with that being said, I'm gonna give you just a little highlight video, go over the bike, and you can see how it looks and kind of get an idea of where I am starting with this. So let's jump into it. right, guys, there you have it. There is the bike. I am, again, super stoked and eager to get into this. I've got to get this bike off the lift so I can get this one on the lift, and hopefully debuting the videos of the one on the lift soon. I don't want to give it away because, yeah, it's pretty neat. But hopefully debuting that soon, and then interspersing teardown and build progress on this one. So that being said, remember to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you all for watching. We just hit 400 subs, which doesn't sound like a lot to most people listening, watching, but it's a lot to me. So for you guys that have subscribed, thank you very much. I appreciate it.